Did you know that the air inside your home can be more polluted than the air outside? Surprising, isn't it? We often think of air pollution as something that happens outside, in the hustle and bustle of city streets or the smokestacks of factories. But the truth is, our homes can harbor invisible enemies too. Dust, mold, pet dander, and chemical products. These are just a few of the culprits that contribute to indoor pollution. These seemingly harmless household elements can pose a significant risk to our health. They can trigger allergies, induce asthma attacks, and even lead to other respiratory diseases. It's like a hidden danger lurking in the corners of our sanctuary, threatening our well-being without us even knowing it. But don't worry, there are natural ways to improve the air quality inside your home. Stay tuned as we delve into these solutions in the next scene. Improving your home's air quality is easier than you might think. The first step towards achieving this goal is through regular cleaning. Dust and dander can significantly contribute to poor indoor air quality. By keeping your living space neat and tidy, you're already on your way to breathing cleaner air. Use a damp cloth to dust surfaces, vacuum regularly, and don't forget about those hard-to-reach areas. Now, let's move on to ventilation. You might be surprised to know that one of the simplest ways to improve indoor air quality is by opening your windows. That's right, let the outside in. This helps to circulate fresh air through your home, reducing the concentration of airborne pollutants. And remember, when you're cooking or showering, use your exhaust fans to help remove moisture and airborne particles from your home. Next, let's talk about indoor plants. Not only do they add a touch of nature to your decor, but they also act as natural air filters. Plants absorb some of the pollutants in the air, including carbon dioxide, and release oxygen in return. Some great options for indoor plants include English ivy, spider plants, and peace lilies. Finally, consider swapping out your chemical cleaners for natural alternatives. Many household cleaners contain volatile organic compounds, known as VOCs, which can contribute to indoor air pollution. By choosing cleaning products with natural ingredients, or even making your own, you can reduce your exposure to these harmful chemicals. We've covered regular cleaning, proper ventilation, the use of indoor plants, and the switch to natural cleaners. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in improving the air quality in your home. And remember, every little bit helps. Even small changes can have a significant impact on your indoor air quality. With these easy steps, you can significantly improve your indoor air quality and breathe easier. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and enjoy the benefits of cleaner, fresher air in your home. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about indoor air quality. We now know that indoor air can sometimes be more polluted than outdoor air. This is due to various factors such as dust, chemical fumes from cleaning products, and poor ventilation. One of the best ways to combat this issue is through regular cleaning. By staying on top of dust and allergens, you can significantly improve the air quality in your home. Another crucial strategy is to ensure proper ventilation. This can be as simple as opening a window or as complex as installing an air purifier. We've also talked about the benefits of indoor plants. They not only beautify your space, but also filter the air naturally. Lastly, consider switching to natural cleaning products. Traditional cleaning products often contain harmful chemicals that contribute to indoor air pollution. Remember, a few simple changes can make a big difference in the quality of the air you breathe indoors. Here's to healthier, happier living.